Hey everybody, this is just a short how-to video on how to rotate your tires on a Rivian R1T. Let's get into it. All right, to help me with my tire rotations today, I purchased a couple things off of Amazon. First being the jack pucks. So these are new, they got little washers here to put on here. Yeah, and then just the magnetic jack pucks, standard. So that is good. And the next just being, I have some sockets, but I thought, you know what, I might as well try these ones that are supposed to be non-marring. So yeah, this little set just comes with all the way from 17 to, well, a 17, a 19, a 21, and then a 13 16ths and a 7/8. Yeah, so that is the set, and we'll get here started shortly. All right, so we're in the truck now, and you can see here that it says tire change. Make sure you're in park, switch your drive mode to all-terrain, and choose the highest ride height. So we're going to go in here, go to off-road mode, and we're in all-terrain, and then we're going to go to highest. And then we'll just give that a second to adjust, and then we'll go back to settings, and then we will turn on, that's still adjusting here, give it a second. And then we're going to turn on tire change, ride height changes will be unavailable. That's perfect. And yeah, then we can start changing the tires. All right, from underneath the vehicle, you can see these little circles. That is where the jack pucks will go. So we're just gonna pop those off and put the jack pucks in, and then we can jack it up. There are 4, so there's 2 on each side. It's jack up all 4 corners. All right, and the last thing you want to do once you're done is to just reset your mileage and / rotation. So it does prompt you to do it automatically, but I skipped it and I did it anyway. But yeah, that is it. So you can see we have a total of 24,795 kilometers on this vehicle, and we're going to rotate every 12,000 kilometers. Yeah, so that's about it. Pretty easy process there. The jack that I had at home is a low-profile jack and doesn't reach the Rivian. Especially in high suspension. So went over to a buddy's, used his jack. As it was, his was barely able to reach, but it does pop it off the ground, so it was enough to rotate the tires. Yeah, it's definitely an easier process with a buddy. So if you have a buddy, it's definitely easier. It's not needed, but it definitely makes it go a little quicker, and proper jack stands too. So that's it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you'd like to see a road trip to Whistler, check out this video here. Thank you, and have a good day.